What if I told you, your robot vacuum might be getting lost, missing spots, and struggling with pet hair instead of delivering a truly clean floor? We tested 15+ top models across carpets, hardwood, and obstacle-filled rooms, mapping navigation, suction power, and smart features, and the results will shock every homeowner. One popular model got stuck every 15 minutes, while our number 3 navigated complex layouts and emptied its own bin for weeks. If you want a truly autonomous clean, this is the only ranking you need. Starting at number 1. Roborock Qrevo Robot Vacuum. The Roborock Qrevo offers an advanced cleaning experience for your home. Its multifunctional docking station simplifies maintenance with an auto-mop washing feature, keeping your cleaning tools fresh without manual effort. Enjoy powerful suction of 8,000 pascals that effectively removes dirt from various surfaces, including carpets and hardwood floors. The auto-mop lifting feature ensures smooth transitions between different floor types, preventing messes as it cleans. With dynamic dual spinning mops operating at 200 revolutions per minute, you can tackle tough spills and stains, leaving your floors spotless and gleaming. Number 2. Eufy Omni C20 Robot Vacuum. The Eufy Omni C20 is designed for effortless cleaning with its all-in-one station, which automatically empties, washes, and dries the mop. This feature saves you time and effort, allowing you to focus on other tasks. Its ultra-slim 3.35-inch body enables it to fit into tight spaces, ensuring thorough cleaning under furniture. With a powerful 7,000 pascal suction, it effectively picks up dirt, pet hair, and debris from various surfaces. The Mop Master technology allows for efficient stain removal, giving you cleaner floors without the hassle of manual scrubbing. Number 3. Roborock Qrevo Slim Robot Vacuum. The Roborock Qrevo Slim is designed for your convenience, featuring a slim 3.23-inch profile that helps it reach tight spaces like under furniture and cabinets. Its Starsight dual-light LiDAR technology allows for precise navigation and mapping, ensuring it avoids obstacles effectively. The multifunctional dock offers hands-free maintenance, automatically washing and drying the mop for hygienic cleaning. With the flexi-arm design, the side brush and mop extend to clean corners and edges thoroughly, eliminating blind spots and providing complete coverage throughout your home. Number 4. Eufy X10 Pro Omni Robot Vacuum. The Eufy X10 Pro Omni Robot Vacuum and Mop simplifies your cleaning routine with hands-free features. Its self-cleaning mop pads ensure bacteria-free floors, while the powerful suction tackles hidden debris. The dual mop pads with adjustable pressure guarantee spotless floors without wetting carpets. Advanced AI obstacle avoidance identifies and avoids objects for efficient cleaning. With customizable cleaning scenarios, the X10 Pro Omni adapts to your needs, making cleaning a breeze. Number 5. Yeedi M12 Ultra Plus Robot Vacuum. The Yeedi M12 Ultra Plus offers powerful cleaning with its 11,000 pascal suction, making it ideal for carpets and hard floors. You'll appreciate the TrueEdge adaptive edge mopping, which cleans edges thoroughly by adjusting its proximity to obstacles. The zero-tangle technology prevents hair from wrapping around the brush, ensuring you spend less time on maintenance. Plus, the Mini OMNI station provides a compact solution for hands-free cleaning, featuring auto-emptying and self-cleaning capabilities. This combination of features makes cleaning more efficient and hassle-free for your busy lifestyle. So which robot vacuum will you set and forget? Sweep into the comments with your pick. If this time-saving review gave you back your weekends, automate that like button. It helps us test more. Want more smart home tech? Subscribe. Next week we're testing robot mops. All our top picks are linked below. Relax and let the robots handle it.